Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a granny square just like this one. So I'm going to use the yarn like yellow, pink and white for this one. Then I need a yarn needle, of course a crochet hook. I'm using a 5 mm crochet hook. I hope you can see this one, size 6 or size G, something like that, but it is 5 mm. Then a pair of scissors. Now I always start with the magic circle. If you don't like to make the magic circle, you can make 4 chains and slip stitch to join. I need to make 12 half double crochet. So every time I start with a half double crochet, I make a chain 2 to begin. Then make 11 more half double crochet. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So including the beginning chain 2, we have 12 half double crochets. Now we can tighten this magic circle and join to the top of the chain 2 with the slip stitch. If you are changing color, you can do it right now, but I'm not doing right now. I'm going to slip stitch, cut off the yarn, just pull through the loop, and that is done. Tighten the circle again. Now is the time to take the yarn needle. You can weave the yarn tail to the back. Then cut it off. Same can be done to the yarn tail in the middle. We can stitch it to the back a couple of times. Now go through a few stitches forward. Now go backwards. I go a little more back. Now it is hidden underneath. Okay, now I'm going to use the pink yarn. Join the new color yarn between any 2 half double crochet. Then we are making double crochet, so chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then the next one we are going to make a front post double crochet. Then in the next space we make regular double crochet, then a front post double crochet. Just repeat like that. At the end of this row we will have a 12 front post and 12 regular double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we finished the second round. I'm going to cut the yarn. Lock it in place. You can weave the yarn tails right away, or you can do this at the end. I'm going to use my crochet hook too. Bring it a little bit in. Then I'm going to attach the white yarn on any stitch, actually between two stitches. Just like that. Chain 3, then make a 2 more double crochet in the same space. Now we make a chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. Now we are going to skip 1 2 3 stitches. I'm going to make 3 double crochet. Now I'm going to skip 3 stitches, then making 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Then I'm going to skip the next 3, then I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. I'm going to repeat this one, like skip 3, then make a 3 double crochet and chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same space, and then I am going to skip again 3 stitches So it is 1 2 3 and make another 3 double crochet. 1 2 3 and skip the next 3, make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, then skip the next 3, this 1 2 3 and make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. I'm going to skip the next 3 and join to the top of the third chain. I'm not changing the yarn color, so I'm going to make 1 2 3, then moving to the corner, the chain 2 space, 1 2 3 double crochet and then chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now there is this one. We are skipping these 3 double crochet and going to the space between this set of 3 and this set of 3 and making another 3 double crochet. That's the granny stitch. Then another 3 double crochet in the space between this and this. Then this is the corner, so make a 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Then we are making 3 double crochet between this set of 3 and this set of 3. I made a boo-boo here, it is only 2. I'm going to fix that one. Just join with the slip stitch. 1 2 3, then going to the corner, make another corner, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to skip the next 3, then make 1 2 3 double crochet and skip the 3, and we already have chain 3 here, so we have to make only 2 more double crochet in the end. And now slip stitch the top of the third chain, and that is it. And we can look it. Now all it is remaining is to weave the yarn tails in. Make sure it is really nicely weaved in. I can go through that. Just push that needle. Then thread the needle because the yarn tail is not that long. You can cut that one. Similar to that, we can weave these 2 yarn tails as well. That's it, we are done. Since I made with acrylic, I can use some steam to block it using my steam iron. Hope you like this pattern. If you like the pattern, please do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends who are interested in doing crochet, and we will meet next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.